understanding our animal siblings. Let us start with the Western perspective that God gave us all plants and animals to use. In one sense alone is that true, and that is from the perspective of free will, because God gives us free will to choose whether we will look at a tree and see an object to be cut down, or whether one sees the other half of their lungs, which they are so interconnected to that without this tree, they could not live here. Whether one sees a conscious, intelligent life form or an inanimate object. It should be stated instead that God made us stewards of the plants and animals, that it is our responsibility to protect and nurture them as we would our own family. So if we leave behind this archaic, dark light idea and come to the realization that all things are conscious and all are evolving and growing into infinite expansion, as are we can begin to grasp our relationship to the plants and animal kingdoms. Now, I will by example use a cat to show various possible states of evolution an animal may be in. So the first example is a wild cat. And what we have here is a group soul of all the cats experiencing the cat form created by the devas of the cats. As Master Joshua explains, you may think of a glass of water. Each time a tiger, for example, has an experience, it goes into one particular glass, slightly changing the color and taste of the water. Now, if we take that tiger glass and place it inside a bucket of water, this bucket would be the group soul of all cats. Now, out of all possible group cat experiences, we have some that have more contact with third density and souled humanity than others. And these you would call domestic strays or ferals that live near humans. This group often takes on enough of a peculiar taste and color that it no longer blends seamlessly with the larger cat bucket. And so, like oil and water, they separate. Now, this group soul, while assuming both it and the humans desire the exchange, begin to incarnate semi-individualized units, or pets, to learn more about the human mode of experience. At this point, the whole process repeats a level down, and we get individualized cats incarnating life after life with humans until it is ready for an early human form. Now, among these pets, we may also have two other modes of experience which add complexity to the topic, and that is A, spirit guides incarnating as pets, and generally this works that some portion of the time it will be that the guide is present, a blending between the animal soul and the spirit guide. And B, the extraterrestrial situation. And that component is that the design of all the animals here, having been used before throughout the galaxy and the universe numerous times, well, all of those of a similar vibration, for instance, the cats here and the cats species in other parts of the universe, are connected by that vibration. And so that the cats on Earth and their extraterrestrial cousins may communicate also by soul agreement. All of this is arranged. So sometimes you'll notice an animal acting very different or suddenly seeming much more intelligent. And this is why, because the extraterrestrials are present, looking through and observing humanity through their cousins. Yeah, so I guess that covers it for now. Love and light.